Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to join plastic together with super glue. This will be an easy tutorial but also a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have these pieces of plastic and I have this super glue. Now super glue comes in all different shapes and sizes and different brands. This is a gel, thick gel super glue to be exact. It's just the kind that I had lying around my house and it's the kind that I commonly use, but many different super glues come in different types, okay? Now I've chosen these pieces of plastic to join together because they're clear. So you can actually see how the super glue is going to look when it's on there because you can see through them. Now be sure to read the instructions with your super glue, obviously. However, it's going to be very, very similar. You're going to apply the super glue, making sure to not get it on your skin or anywhere else because it will really, really stick really quickly, okay? And for a very long time. It's really hard to get off. So really make sure that you are reading the instructions and the precautions and really avoiding getting it anywhere on your skin, on your clothing, on anything that you don't want to glue together because this stuff is really, really fast acting and super strong, okay? That's usually why it's contained within a container like this. Just for added safety, you have that lid right there and then you have the super glue. Now, if you're using the super glue for the first time, you might have to puncture the lid. I've already used this quite a few times, so I'm going to show you how to use it, okay? I'm going to be applying super glue to here. Now, you can usually apply it to either of the pieces of plastic that you want to join together. But because this has a hole in the middle of it, I'm going to apply it to this so I know exactly precisely where it's going to end up. So this is my process, okay? I remove the lid, place the lid somewhere over here, and I don't like placing the lid on the ground because in case there's any remaining super glue on it, I don't want the lid to be glued to the ground. Now I very, very, very gently squeeze out a little bit of super glue. Now the beauty of super glue is that you don't need a ton. So you saw how much I put on the top there, very little, right? Down the side, just a little line along the bottom, and then up around the edge here, okay? If there wasn't a gap in the middle, I would put some in the middle, but because of that gap, I'm not going to. You wanna wipe off any excess super glue, okay? And then I'm holding this with one hand while I'm gonna cap off the super glue. I always cap off the super glue right away, okay? So put the cap on nice and tightly, put it back in the container, seal the container. I'll tell you right now, you do not want to accidentally leave the super glue open on the floor because then you're going to find that it's stuck to the floor and it's going to be really hard to remove, okay? So just get it all done. At least I know I'm done with this now, okay? So you can see I did not get any on my hand, on my fingers. Very, very important. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take these, we're going to join the two pieces of plastic together. So I'm going to place them like this. I'm going to join them together in the exact position that I want them to be in. And then I am going to hold them here for about 30 seconds, give or take. And every brand of super glue is going to be different. For this one, I believe it is about 30 seconds holding it in place. And then it's not that they're not going to move. Then they're fairly secure in place. However, in order to fully be good to go, the glue has to dry and cure, which usually takes quite a while. So right now, it's probably been about 30 seconds. So I can not push them together anymore. But now what I need to do is I need to let them sit, okay? And if I let them sit, what's going to happen is it's going to cure. The super glue is going to cure and they're going to be able to be joined together. So even once you've done that, it's still not dry. The plastic can still move until the super glue has cured. So what I would do is I'm going to leave it on top of the packaging like that, and I'm going to leave it for probably just several hours, and then it will be joined together. That's it. If you like this video, and obviously, sorry, one last thing before I finish, the precautions, please don't get any on your skin, don't get any on your clothing, don't get any on the floor, don't get any on anything, don't get any super glue on anything that you don't want the super glue to be on, because that stuff, you know, it cures really quickly and it's very, very, very adhesive and it lasts for a long time. It's really hard to get out. So you need to be extra careful, have all of your area free and clear of any debris and clutter, and just be extremely careful when you're working with it. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.